Magandang morning sa inyo lahat mga kabaliwan. Right now, I'm here in my backyard, of course with my dog here, Prime. And what you see here behind me is a pile of steel, metal, roofings, angle bars, flat bars, and everything. So every time I need something or I have a project, usually this is my source. Especially the project that I'm going to do now. Okay, so I hope last time you saw the making of my anvil. But for those who didn't watch it, I will put the link down below the description and other card after this video. Okay, go. Prime, go. Okay, going back. So what I have here is a log from a paper tree, and the size of the log is in inches, 8 by 8 and then 4 feet long. I wish I have more of these to make my anvil base much easier to make. But sadly, I only have one, so I plan it overnight. How will I solve the problem? So because of that, no more holding on. The project must start now. So before we continue, if you are still new to this channel, hi, I am Aris Arriesgado and my passion is making different projects and showing you how I do it. So please, do not forget to like and subscribe and click that notification button for more updates. Remember, it's one day or day one. You decide. Let's do it now. Anvil base! Yahoo! So I'm gonna be using this. This is the longest bolt that I could find, and I'm just going to screw 2 nuts on both ends just to hold the woods together. be the best anvil and anvil stand, but this will serve me good. And hey, it's my anvil, so maybe one day I will buy me a real anvil. So I hope you like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button for me. Thank you for your support. So here it is, my complete anvil and anvil based project. Thank you for watching.